What is the first thing that a beginner should learn before starting e-commerce and Facebook ads? You are about to find out here in this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you the most important first thing that you should learn before starting your e-commerce Shopify brand and launching Facebook ads. It's going to save you a ton of money and it's only going to take 5 minutes of your day. So I highly recommend watching this and taking action on it. Before doing that, what I want to show you is one of my real Facebook ad accounts. It's actively running. And the reason that I want to show you this first is I personally do not trust anybody on YouTube that preaches e-commerce or Facebook ad results without showing their Facebook ad account in real time and hitting refresh in front of me. So I'm about to do that right here for you. Right here, we obviously have our dates. So let's go from, I'll show you the past 2 months. So April 1st to today is June 12th, 2020 when I'm recording this. So we'll update this. And what you'll see is I've spent $22,000 to make $130,000 back with Facebook ads. The actual revenue on the Shopify side is about $170,000 for about a return of 8x. So every dollar that I put into Facebook ads, I got $8 back out of it. I'm going to click refresh a few times right now. And with that said, what I'm going to teach you today is the most important thing that you need to learn first before launching your e-commerce brand on Shopify and spending money on any Facebook ads. Take a look at my ad account here. What you're going to notice is I only have 4 campaigns, and I know there's a filter. Let me show you. I have a total of 6 campaigns throughout the history of this account to generate $130,000, $170,000 off of $20,000 on ad spend. How am I doing this with just 4 campaigns? Well, the secret that I'm going to teach you in this video is a marketing funnel. Marketing funnels are actually a very, very easy concept. It's overcomplicated all across the internet, but in reality, it's very easy. I'm going to teach you all about a marketing funnel in the next 3 minutes, and then you're also going to see how I implement that marketing funnel right here in 4 campaigns to generate massive results with Facebook ads. With that said, if you could do me the favor and just tap that like button, it is greatly appreciated, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. My name is Dylan Pearson. I'm a Facebook advertiser, e-commerce business owner, and I run a small advertising agency here in Chicago, Illinois. With that said, let me first hop over and start to teach you the most powerful aspect in e-commerce, Marketing Funnel 101. I'm going to do things a bit different today. I hope you could hear that sound. It's the most refreshing sound to hear. Anyways, I'm going to do things a bit different today. I had a PowerPoint with nice, pretty professional diagrams drawn up, and then I got into a little tequila club soda. So I went on to Google and I found a MS Paint version that's available online. So we're going to use that to break down marketing funnels, take a little bit of throwback, and dive into it. Welcome to Marketing Funnel 101. I'm having fun already. This is a throwback to my childhood. So we have Marketing Funnel 101. What is a marketing funnel? A marketing funnel, simply put, in my words, is the journey of an individual from a non-customer to a customer. And this is actually going to become much clearer as I continue to explain it here. And remember, this simple concept can make you a lot of money with e-commerce and Facebook advertising. I see so many people dive into it and lose a bunch of money because they don't understand this basic topic. So the next 3 minutes could literally make or break your future e-commerce business. When it comes to marketing funnels, you've probably seen the basic diagram. Typically, a marketing funnel is broken up of 4 phases. So let's draw this out. Here we have 1. This is so much fun. I'm having way more fun making this video than you probably are watching it. Number 2, number 3, and finally down here we have number 4. This is a simple 4-phase marketing funnel. Each one of these phases is made up with different types of traffic, and I'm going to explain that here. I'm going to make it very, very, very easy to understand because marketing funnels are very easy. The first phase is built with cold traffic. What is cold traffic? Cold traffic is as it sounds. It's people that are cold to your brand. They have never seen your product. They have never seen your service. They've never heard of you. You are brand new to them. And the best correlation in real life that I like to use is a relationship. Think about the first time that you met someone. That is essentially cold traffic. You make your introduction, you make your first impression. Now that you met that person, you've met with them maybe a few more times, you get to know them a little more. Now they are warm traffic. And in the world of e-commerce, this is someone that's watched a video, engaged with your ad, maybe they hit like, maybe they shared it. They're getting warmed up to your product or your service. Next, you have the third phase. This is made up of your hot audiences and traffic. In the e-commerce and advertising space, this is usually your website visitors, people that added to cart, initiated a checkout, and did everything on your website except purchase. In the dating scenario, this is probably when you ask them out and so forth. Existing. This is obviously once someone has converted. In e-commerce and advertising, they've eventually bought your product, became a client of your service, or whatever your conversion event is, they are now an existing audience. And this is where you get married. So this is a simple funnel. And now what I want you to do is I'm going to take you back over to my ad account and just remember this. 1, cold. 2, warm. 3, hot. 4, existing. Now let me show you something. Here we are back in my ad account. I'm going to refresh one more time just for proof. Now check this out. Remember, 0, 1 is cold. Look at my campaign. 0, 1 cold, 0, 1 cold. These are 2 cold campaigns. The only people that see these campaigns have never seen my brand or seen my product or been on my website. These are cold audiences. Now look how this is performing. A 4x ROAS and a 5.34 ROAS. For every dollar I spent, these numbers are what I get back. Next, remember, phase 2 is warm audiences. Look at phase 2, warm, 9.14. They've gotten warmed up. They engage with my ads. They've commented. They've shared. They've liked. And I'm getting a $9 return for every $1 invested. Finally, hot audiences. This is essentially, you're dating. You're about to get married. These are people that have visited my website, added a cart, initiated checkout. 11x return on ad spend. You can see the funnel in action. Look at these ROAS. 4, 5, 9, 11. It keeps getting stronger because my audiences continue to go through my marketing funnel. You don't need any complex Facebook ads strategies. You need a marketing funnel. And this is proof. The proof is in the numbers, and I'm showing you legitimate numbers right here. This works. And this is what I teach all of my students in full-time e-com. Forget about all of the $5 a day, $10 a day. It's all about the funnel. It's all about the marketing. With that said, yes, I understand there are aspects to setting up campaigns and running Facebook ads. That part can be a little confusing when you get started. But the reason that I feel this is the most important aspect of e-commerce and Shopify and Facebook ads to start out with is because if you go and learn all that complex stuff with Facebook ads, and you don't know how to work a marketing funnel, you will waste every dollar you invest. Or I see these screenshots all over the internet. These people like, 100K a month. And then that dies and they don't know what to do next because they don't have those core skills, and they're 1 out of 1,000 that struck the gold for a period of a couple months. Learn this, and I promise you will find way better results when you start to spend your hard-earned money. If you haven't seen my breakdown of my story, when I got started back in late 2015, from 2015 to early 2018, I lost over $30,000 on inventory, Facebook ads, a bunch of mistakes. I'm hiring these gurus that weren't legitimate. And it all clicked once I really focused on learning these core aspects of marketing. So if I could go back 5 years and look at myself and give myself advice as a beginner, this is what I would say to myself. And I'm saying it to you in hopes that it helps you a lot. So with that said, that sums up my spiel. Learn your funnels and it's going to transform your business. Speaking of, I know I mentioned full-time ecom. That is my mentorship class. I used to have links down in the description, but it's become an application only, as it is a legitimate mentorship where I spend 1 to 2 hours a week on Zoom calls. I answer emails every day, DMs from the limited exclusive amount of students in there. If you are 100% legitimate, feel free to click the link in the description and we can get in touch and see if it is a good fit. But if you're just starting out or you don't feel 100% confident that this is for you, that is not for you. But I just wanted to mention that. So with that said, if you have any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comment. I will answer all of the comments. Shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'll answer them there. And I'm here to help you succeed with your journey into e-com and Facebook ads. I'll see you in the next video. Dylan out.